There are around 70 different species of snake plant, all native to tropical and subtropical regions of Europe, Africa, and Asia. They are all evergreen and can grow anywhere from 8 inches to 12 feet high. The most commonly used species for gardening is the Dracaena trifasciata, often known as mother-in-law's tongue. If a prize were available for the most tolerant plant, snake plant would certainly be one of the front runners. Snake plant care is very straightforward. These plants can be neglected for weeks at a time, yet with their strappy leaves and architectural shape, they still look fresh. Additionally, they can survive low light levels, drought, and have few insect problems. Growing snake plant from cuttings is relatively easy too. The most important thing to remember is that they can easily rot, so a free draining soil needs to be used. Put them in indirect sunlight and don't water them too much, especially during the winter. In fact, it's better to let these plants dry out some between waterings. A snake plant is quite flexible and can adjust with other plants, even in the same pot, depending on whether the other plant has the same requirements as a snake plant. Lots of plants go well with snake plant, but to narrow down a few, bird of paradise, variegated ivy, mandevilla, marigolds, and succulents. Yes, you can grow snake plants outdoors. They can be grown in pots or directly in the soil. Snake plants do, however, require warmer temperatures to thrive. So if you live in an area where the average temperature is below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, your snake plant may not survive outdoors without some extra care. NASA research has even shown that snake plants are able to help keep the air inside your home clean, removing toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene. In short, they are the perfect houseplants.